Hello friends, Dr. Poonam Sambhaji here, and most of you whose babies are now heading towards the 6 weeks, that is 1.5 months, have this confusion regarding the vaccination. So, since many of you are asking me regarding the vaccine, which vaccine, how much will it cost, I have made a concise video which you are going to go through now. Okay, so 6 weeks vaccines are repeated at 6 weeks, 10 weeks, and 14 weeks, means 1.5, 2.5, and 3.5 months. Of the baby's age. Now, there are three vaccines which we have to take. One is a hexavalent, that means 6-in-1 vaccine. Second one is the pneumococcal vaccine, and third one is the rotaviral vaccine. Okay, so at the end of the video, I'll be putting one small page, that is this page, okay, which will explain everything regarding the costing. But regarding the other this thing information, I am explaining now. Okay, so the 6-in-1 vaccine has this funda of painless and with pain, or feverless and with fever. Okay, whether you want to go for painless or with fever is entirely parent's choice. And remember, the difference in the painless and in the vaccine without pain is only that the difference is like this: you are going with a simple car and you are going with a Mercedes. Okay, so the simple car is also going to reach at the same destination that this special car is going to reach, but the simple car may have some bumpy ride, whereas the one which is good Mercedes or something like that will have a smooth ride, good absorption, shock absorption, no, something of that sort only. So these two vaccines are different in the perspective that the one may give you fever, pain, swelling. The other one will hardly give you fever, pain, swelling. Having said that, there are some babies who do experience little bit of pain and fever even with the feverless, but it is quite manageable. Now, there are three varieties of vaccine in this which you will find in the paper: the one with the fever and the two without fever. Now, which one you want to go for, you decide. The cost will be written there. Now, of these three, you are going to opt only one, so just that one injection. Okay, next we come to the 4-in-1 vaccine. Okay, sorry, the PCV vaccine. Okay, the pneumococcal vaccine, which is, there are 4 different varieties in it, of which you are going to only choose one. Why these varieties are different? That is because the number of bacteria that they are covering, which is called valents. So at the side of that paper, you will see 13 valent, 14 valent, 10 valent. Okay, and the cost of the vaccine also I have written. The third thing is the rotaviral vaccine, which will cost you somewhere around 1,100. Now, all these vaccines go in 3 doses, like one set of dose, that is 2 injections and 1 drop at 6 weeks, followed by 10 weeks and followed by 14 weeks. Now, whether you want to take 2 injections and 1 drop at one sitting, or 1 injection, 1 drop in one sitting, and after 15 days another injection, is again every parent's choice, that we can decide during the next visit. Okay, now all these costs which I have written, now you have to, like, whichever you choose, you are going to take one cost of that. Then the second, like hexavalent, you have chosen one. Example, you have chosen hexazine, which costs around 4,330. Okay. Then you have taken PCV, example, you have taken Prevena, which costs 4,000. And then rotavirus 1,100. Add these 3 costs. Okay. And to that will be the consultation and the procedure charges will be added. Now, whichever vaccine, so I have made 3 categories. So you're going to, and that is a there is a this thing color this thing marking between this. So about that color marking, say I'm marking it right now. Okay, so you are going to choose only one from these categories, like one from this category, one from this category, and one from this category. You will see this photo at the end of the video. So I hope this is clear to you, the doubts of the 6 weeks vaccine, and see you at 6 weeks for the vaccine. Bye bye.